Hey guys, it's Vlogmas Day 3, and I decided that I'm going to turn myself into a Yule Fairy goddess type thing. I'm super excited to see how this goes. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Before we get started, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video if you care. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Today we're not gonna start out with the face because you're just gonna do your face like you normally do it. So I did basic foundation, put on some lip chap, did concealer, and then did my powder underneath my concealer and allowed my face to bake. So now we're just gonna start on the eyes. For this look, I want it to be very Christmassy, so we're going to be using a lot of silvers, we're going to be using reds, we're going to be using greens, and we're just going to experiment, see where this takes us. Right, so first we're going to just take a light brown color so it can be our transition color. We're just going to put it right underneath our brow bone. Next we're going to take a light green and we're just going to put it right on top of that brown that we just put there. Next we're going to go on a true green and we're just going to put a line of that right underneath that green. Take an even darker green and put it in the corner. Now we're going to take some concealer to clean it up. So I have two silvers. It's fine if you only have one. I have a darker silver and then I have a lighter silver. So I'm going to take this darker grayish silver and I'm going to put it right next to where that green is. Now I'm going to take a true silver and put it all on the rest of my lid. Now go into your red and take a tiny brush and we're just going to draw a line right under where that green is. Now we're going to go into brown eyeshadow and we're just going to put it on the side of our nose. Now we're going to line our eyes with white eyeliner, then red eyeliner. So our wing is going to be white. Alright, so we're going to put black underneath our eye at the top and white on the bottom. Alright, brush that, bake away. That bake away. We're gonna go into our white face paint. If it gets messy, you can always clean it up with a paper towel and some alcohol, or you can clean it up with some water, or you can clean it up like I do with toner, and it just cleans it right up. So I mixed a little bit of the white and used a sponge with the makeup already on it from my foundation, and I blended out that white on my nose. Try to give us some sort of like an animal look. We're trying to look like a fawn or a deer or something along those lines. Alright, so now we're going to do our bronzer. Since we're doing the deer look, we want to give our cheeks a lot of color. So go ham on the bronzer. Go ham. For our lips, we're only going to put color on the top lip. For your bottom lip, you can take a nude lipstick like I'm going to do, or you can take your foundation and put it on your bottom lip. Alright, you're going to go back in with that white eyeliner pen, or you could use white face paint, doesn't matter, and we're going to put little dots. Now after you put the big circles on your forehead and the big circles on the sides of your face, you make little freckles all over your face. Alright, you go in with a small brush and we are going to add some pink so that we can add some blush to our face. You go in with the tiny brush so that you don't truly ruin all the work you did with your dots. Alright, Now all that's left is the lashes and the wig. I'll be right back. I think I look kind of cute. What do you guys think? Winter is one of my favorite seasons, so I loved bringing this Yule fairy goddess to life. If you want to learn more about Yule, I will have some links in the description box to help you guys educate yourself a little bit more about this amazing holiday to bring in the winter solstice. Make sure you guys tune in tomorrow because on day 4 of Vlogmas, we're cooking up some tasty treats. Also, don't forget to check out the Your Nerdy Girlfriend podcast and us on TikTok. I hope you guys are having a kick-ass holiday season. See you tomorrow. Bye.